Myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDVC 6th semester. We will discuss the topic fish byproducts. Introduction. Fish is one of the protein-rich foods of humans since ancient times, also known as poor man diet. Okay. Fish is also the world best source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly important for our body and brain. About one third of world catch of fish is not used for direct human consumption, but for production of fish byproducts. Okay, fish byproducts. A byproducts is a secondary products derived from a manufacturing processes or chemical reactions due to unavailability of ready market and non-nearness of market. Fish is preserved as food at other utilization of fish in which proteins, fat and other useful contents are proceeds into a number of valuable byproducts, right? Fish byproducts include fish oil, fish meal, fish silage, fish glue, fish fertilizers, isinglass and fish skins. First, fish oils. Fish oil is derived from the tissue of fat oily fish or from the fat of cold water fish such as sardine, etc. Fish oil approximately has 25% saturated and 75% unsaturated fatty acids. Omega 3 essential fatty acids are key ingredients of fish oils. Okay. Fish liver oil. Liver is chopped into small pieces and is boiled into sufficient water. The oil is skimmed off from the surface of water. Composition: protein, fats, water, and vitamin A and D is most components of fish oil. It has high level of omega 3 fatty acids and EPA and DHA. Source of liver oil are cod, haddock, and shark. Benefits of fish liver oil: the fish oil is helpful in the growth of teeth and bones. Okay. Cod liver oil can cure both rickets and exo exophthalmia. Next, fish body oil. Oil is extracted from either whole fish or fish fat. It varies in color, pale yellow to light brown or brown colors. Composition: polyunsaturated fatty acids, particularly omega 3, PUFA. Okay. Sources: sardines, pilchards, and herrings, fishes. Benefits of fish body oil: it is used in the manufacture of soap and candles. It is used in oiling the bottom of the boats to protect them against sea rot. Okay. Next, it is used in manufacture of paints and varnishes that are more resistant to heat. Fish meal. Fish meal is a dry powder prepared from whole fish or from fish filleting waste which are unacceptable for human consumption. It is used as a high protein supplement in aquaculture feed. Composition: high quality Fish meals normally contains between 60% and 72% crude proteins by waters. Benefits of fish meal: increase feed efficiency through better food palatability and enhance nutrient uptake, digestion and absorptions. Okay, help to reduce pollution from the wastewater effluents by providing greater nutrient digestibility. Fish silage, it is a liquid products made from whole fish are part of fish that are liquefied by the action of enzyme in the presence of an added acids. It can be made from spoiled fish, subutilized species, and commercial fish waste. Fish glue. Fish glue is made by boiling the skins, bones, and swim bladders of fish. Applications: used to repair animal waste sheets called parchments, which are used for writing. Used in painting materials by some artists in China. Used for building and repairing wooden antiques as well as building new products. Fish fertilizer, it is an awesome products for promoting plant growth. The waste obtained during the preparation of fish meal is widely used as manure for coffee, tea, and tobacco plantations. Isinglass, it is a substance obtained from the swim bladder of fish estrogens. Uses used in confectionery and desserts such as fruit jelly. Isinglass is also used to help repair parchments, acts as a emulsifiers. Fish skin used gelatin, food integrants, feed binding agents, collagens, leathers, etc. Fish protein hydrolysates, it is produced by the use of enzymes to break down fish protein into amino acids. The results product is highly functional, contributing whipping, peeling, and texturing properties when used as an ingredients in food products. Okay, thank you.